Hello, everyone. My name is Sebastian Sanchez. I am one of the leaders at Fedi Middle School and Hawaiian Gardens. And in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you guys just a few simple drills you're able to do at home. And in today's video, one of those drills is going to be a few leg drills to help you guys focus on being fast and being quick while on the field. All right, as you can see here, I have the cones set up. I have 8 perfect cones set up in order for me to help me with these drills. And again, if you don't have any cones, that's perfectly fine. You can use anything you can have at home. So let's say bags, backpacks, shoes, whatever you can find and whatever your parents can let you use in order to do these drills. So the first one I'm gonna have you guys do is high knees. Now, again, it's pretty self-explanatory. All you guys need to do as you're going through it is, again, just make sure you lift your legs up like so. So if you have any trouble with that, so have your hands out going like that, just all the way through like so. So for the next one, I'll have you guys do, it's zigzag. Now for this, it's, zigzagging. But this time you're gonna go side to side through the cones, like so, like basically like this, just through the cones, like so. All right, so this is gonna be the high knees again, but this time it's only gonna be with one leg. Now when doing this, you want that leg to go over the cone, step, step, and step, but this time quick. So it really doesn't matter what leg you want to start off with. In this case, I'm going to be starting off with the leg that I kick, which is going to be my right leg, like so. Now again, once you're done using whatever leg you started with, now you can start off with the next leg and it's going to be the exact same thing. All right, so for the last one I'll have you guys do is basically you're going to have your leg going in and out, in and out, in and out through the cones, like so.